Hello, friends. Today we will see how to change the frequency channel of Spark radio remote control on site. In this process, we will use these 4 buttons. The first button is TX to RX programming mode. The second button is TX to RX acknowledgement mode. Third button RX to TX acknowledgement mode. And fourth RX to TX programming mode. First, we will press the TX to RX acknowledgement button and turn on the key. After turning the key on, the battery indication will blink 5 times. This is how we enter the frequency channel change mode. Now when we have entered into the frequency channel change mode, we will use TX to RX programming mode button and RX to TX programming mode button. TX to RX programming mode button is used to set the tens digit of the frequency channel number, and RX to TX programming mode button is used to set the unit digit of the frequency channel number. And to set the value input for the frequency channel, we will use button RX to TX acknowledgement mode button. Now we are going to set the frequency channel on 23, so we will press TX to RX programming mode button 2 times. And RX to TX programming mode button 3 times. And to set the value input, we will press RX to TX acknowledgement mode button. Now to check if the frequency channel value is set properly. The remote's S2 LED will blink 2 times denoting the tens value, and battery indication will blink 3 times denoting the unit value of the frequency set. So this is how we set the frequency channel of the Spark radio remote on the site. Here is a quick recap of the procedure. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And ask your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video.